At RPR, we believe realtors are irreplaceable, and the technology we build, it's here to amplify your expertise, not replace it. Our AI tools are designed to speed up the busy work, becoming the assistant in the background, analyzing data, surfacing insights, and giving you confidence and clarity faster than you've ever had before. Introducing RPR's AI CMA for mobile, the newest feature in the RPR mobile app that puts fast, intelligent pricing insights right in the palm of your hand. In this video, we'll walk you through how the AI CMA works, how it helps you compare comps, shape pricing strategies, and deliver confident, compelling CMAs on the go, whether you're working with buyers or sellers. Let's dive in and show you what the AI CMA can do. You'll start by searching for your property, then tap the AI button from the details page. Choose from the Seller CMA or the Buyer CMA. The Seller CMA is going to help project how buyers are likely to perceive the price, whether it's attractive, risky, or on target, and why. The Buyer CMA is going to flip that perspective and signal potential seller motivation and how a given offer could be received with comps to support your strategy. We'll go ahead and choose the Seller CMA here. You'll see immediately the AI tool gets to work identifying comparable properties and then leveraging AI to analyze and score those properties based on the similarity to your subject property's physical characteristics. Now it's your turn to select which comparable properties are best based on your local knowledge. The AI model will auto-select all comps that are scored above 75. Tap the comparison score to reveal details, including similarities, differences, and additional notes, or tap View Details to review the comp property in detail, including characteristics, proximity, even a side-by-side comparison, and more. This is an important opportunity to unselect any comps that you believe are not a match for your subject property. You can view how these comps are scored by tapping here. The default is to rank properties that are closer in proximity higher, followed by the living area, bedrooms, bathrooms, lot size, and year built. But this might not be correct based on your subject property, neighborhood, or client's needs. So you can override these settings by dragging and dropping the criteria to rearrange the comp scoring. Select Update Scoring to save. You also have the option to manually add a known comp here, and Edit Subject allows you to add changes to your subject property. When you have the right comp selected, tap Next. Now AI gets back to work behind the scenes. It analyzes those comparable properties and calculates key market indicators like the average sold to list price, how that number is changing month over month, the current months of inventory, and whether inventory is trending up or down. By looking at these trends together, it helps determine whether market conditions are heating up, cooling down, or staying steady. You can now review multiple pricing strategies from below market, market aligned, or high market. AI gives a recommendation as well, and you can also enter a custom price. Select View More to see a full explanation of each pricing strategy explained and supported by the comps chosen. If you enter a custom list price, also make sure to add your rationale, and AI will evaluate the price point against market trends and the selected comps to offer insights on how well it aligns with current conditions. Once you've selected your pricing strategy, select Next. Let's get back to work analyzing the proposed price. Now you'll arrive at the pricing strategy, showing the recommended price and price range. Choose View AI Summary to see the full summary, including price assessment, buyer psychology pros and cons, or seller psychology if you're running a buyer CMA, potential outcomes, and the AI strategy opinion. Scroll down further to reveal the comp summary, show the comparable properties on a map, and side-by-side view of the properties. Swipe each comp to scroll the list. This page will end with comp stats by status. If you need to adjust anything, tap Previous and you can easily make adjustments. Edit your comps or adjust your price. AI will instantly recalculate and explain the trade-offs. When you're ready to finalize your CMA, select Create Report. This title will show on your report or you can edit it here. This could be a good opportunity to customize for your client. Select Continue. Now you're in the report editor. We have a full tutorial on editing your report in the mobile app, but for now we'll run through a quick overview. Select Customize to fully edit your report. Use the arrows to expand and collapse each section. Check or uncheck the elements you want in your report. Drag and drop to rearrange the order of elements. Select CMA to view the elements of your AI CMA and choose which options you want displayed. Always select Apply to save any changes. Edit your cover photo, add or remove any notes, and choose which photos you want displayed in your report. Once you're satisfied with all the changes you've made, scroll through the viewer to see the entire report before running it. Tap Next to save, share, or download your report. Tap Save as Draft to save your report and access later. View Report generates a link to the report that will automatically update every 48 hours when clicked. You'll use your share options to text, copy, or airdrop the link. To have a copy of the report that does not update, you need to download the PDF and save to your own files. Select Email to email that link to yourself or a client with a personalized message. Select Share to use your phone's share options such as AirDrop for iPhone, Nearby Share for Android, or texting the report. You can also save this report as a template. This means the selections you've made will save and you can quickly run this exact report for any property with those presets already crafted. Select Save Selections as New Template, name your template, and select Save Template again. This will now show in your report templates. Now you've got a CMA report that will give you the data, explanations, and options to help you lead smarter pricing conversations anywhere. Because when AI does the heavy lifting behind the scenes, you can stay focused on what matters most: relationships, strategy, and results. And don't forget, this feature is currently in beta, so we're looking for your feedback. Make sure you tap the feedback button and let us know what's working, what's not, and what you'd like to see in upcoming enhancements.